Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get exclusive access on sneakers using a PC. Let's get started. On sneakers, exclusive access means Nike gives you early or guaranteed access to buy a sneaker before the public release. You don't apply for it, Nike choose you. Now let's talk about how to improve your chance. Open web browser and go to official sneakers website and make sure you are logged into your account. Make sure your profile is fully completed, correct name, address and payment method added. This helps Nike know you are a real user. Nike rewards activity, not just buying. On your PC, browse upcoming sneakers like shoes you actually like, watch release videos and read product stories. Nike tracks what you interact with and uses the data. And the big secret is using still helps. Enter sneakers draw regularly. If a new on win, Nike notice consistent participation and engagement over time. Avoid bots and multiple accounts. Nike is very strict. Do not use bots, use multiple accounts or use fake information. This lowers your chances and can get you blocked from exclusive access completely. And that's it. That's a simple, clear explanation of how to increase your chances of getting exclusive access on sneakers using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.